Welcome to the Ingram Honors College at Grand Canyon University, an academically distinguished community for students who are called to lead and to serve. I'm Dr. Breanna Naegeli, Dean of the Ingram Honors College. Each year, I have the privilege of working alongside students who pursue excellence, not only in academic achievement, but in purpose. Within the Ingram Honors College, you will be immersed in a community defined by intellectual curiosity, disciplined ambition, and a commitment to meaningful impact. You will have the opportunity to cultivate the capacity to lead and to serve, refining advanced critical thinking, communication, and problem-solving skills while developing a globally informed perspective grounded in purpose. Here, learning is intentionally designed and deeply experiential. Students can engage in undergraduate research and publication opportunities, work in close collaboration with faculty, and gain access to mentorship, counseled career coaching, and strategic industry connections. Our applied model helps to ensure that knowledge is not only acquired, but activated through complex practical projects, community engagement, and service through the Leadership in Action Institute and the Canyon Civic Institute. This is preparation not simply for careers, but for influence in spaces that demand clarity, conviction, and wisdom. I invite you to join the Ingram Honors College, one of the nation's most forward-thinking honors colleges. You will enter a distinguished academic environment and graduate with a recognized honors distinction at no additional program cost. You will step into a new era of honors education shaped by significant institutional investment in the newly developed Honors District. This includes a new academic building, an expanded residential community, and supported pathways for national scholarships, fellowships, and internships. Here, you can engage in highly curated leadership and professional formation, building relationships with industry leaders, and expanding your sphere of influence. Now supported by the Kingdom Impact Council, a distinguished network of Christian executives and thought leaders, your development will be anchored in both excellence and eternal perspective. You can pursue global opportunities through international education, internships, global shadowing experiences, mission-centered travel, graduating prepared to lead with conviction, competence, and a commitment to advancing the greater good. Now is the time to pursue excellence with purpose and step into your calling at the Ingram Honors College at Grand Canyon University.